In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Tapo app on Android. First, let's begin by opening the Google Play Store. On your Android device, locate the Play Store app, which usually has a colorful triangle icon. It is typically found on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once you tap the icon, the Play Store will launch, displaying a variety of apps and games available for download. This step is crucial as the Play Store is the official source for downloading apps on Android, ensuring you receive the latest and safest version of the Tapo app. Next, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. This is where you will enter the name of the app you want to download. After you tap on the search bar, your keyboard will appear, allowing you to type in your query. It's important to use the search function to find the specific app quickly. Typing accurately will help you avoid confusion with similarly named apps. Once you have the bar selected, we can move on to the next step. Now, type Tapo into the search bar. Make sure to spell it correctly to ensure you find the right app. After typing, look for the search icon on your keyboard and tap it to execute the search. You will see a list of results appear, including various apps related to Tapo. This step is vital because finding the exact app will prevent any installation issues down the road. From there, select TP-Link Tapo by TP-Link Systems Inc. It is essential to choose the correct developer to ensure you are downloading the legitimate app. You can usually identify it by the developer name displayed below the app title. Tapping on this option will take you to the app's dedicated page where you can learn more about its features and user ratings. This step is reassuring because it confirms you are on the right path to successfully downloading Tapo. Next up, tap the Install button. This button is typically located in a prominent position on the app page. Once you tap it, the download process will begin. You might see a progress bar indicating the download status. This step is significant because it initiates the installation of the app on your device. You'll want to keep an eye on the progress to ensure everything is proceeding smoothly. After that, wait for the download to finish. Depending on your internet speed, this may take just a few moments. During this time, you can see the download progress on your screen. It is important to be patient, as interrupting the download can lead to installation issues. Once the download is complete, you will receive a notification or see an Open button appear. At this point, tap Open to launch the Tapo app. This action will take you directly into the app, where you can begin setting things up. The app will guide you through initial setup options that will help personalize your experience. This step matters because it allows you to start using Tapo immediately, making it easier to manage your smart devices. Now sign in or create a TP-Link ID. If you already have an account, enter your credentials to log in. If not, follow the prompts to create a new account. This process is crucial for accessing all the features of the Tapo app, including device management and settings. You will appreciate having your account set up, as it enhances the security and functionality of your devices. Finally, follow the on-screen instructions to set up your Tapo devices. The app will provide a series of prompts that guide you through connecting your devices, customizing settings, and more. This step is essential because it ensures your Tapo devices are configured correctly, allowing you to fully enjoy their capabilities. And that's it! You are now ready to use the Tapo app on your Android device. Enjoy managing your smart devices with ease.